Best job ever. Believe it or not, I think it's plumbing. I know that sounds crazy, but today I want to take a moment and tell you the different things that I love about plumbing. Now, I've been plumbing almost 44 years. I started plumbing in 1980 here in Garland, Texas, where I grew up. And I gotta tell you, the opportunities that it has put in front of me have been amazing. So I'm gonna tell you what all I really love about it. First of all, the pay. When you go to college, you go for 4 years without getting paid. Then you start out at an entry level position. In the trades, just about every trade, you get paid from day one. Now, you don't have to go to an apprentice training center. You don't have to go to a technical college. You can actually just get out and get a job at a plumbing company and start getting paid the very first day. Believe it or not, the pay's pretty good right now because supply and demand. We're losing more people in the trades and we need more people getting in. Why is that important? Because it leads to my next favorite thing, opportunities. Opportunities are out there for you if you want to learn and grow. It is entirely up to you. But getting into plumbing right now, each year, for every 10 people that retire, only 4 new people are getting in. Most people want office jobs, computer jobs, desk jobs, easy jobs. Here's my thing. Why is it good to get into the trades right now? The people getting into the trades right now are going to be the entrepreneurs in the next 5-10 years. The average age of plumbers in Texas is 58 years old. That means in 7 years, man, over half the people are going to be retiring. So what does that mean for you? It means opportunity. And using those opportunities, taking advantage of them, makes everything in the world amazing. You get into the trade, you learn, you grow, you become better, learn from these old guys and girls before they get out, and it's going to help you get ahead. We went through a big shutdown here a couple of years back. You know what we found out? Tradespeople are essential. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, we still had to get up, put our boots on, and go to work every day. This is not the kind of job that you're going to get in it, and then one day people are going to tell you, hey, go home for a year, take off because, well, it's a bad economy. Whatever the reason, plumbing, electrical, HVAC guys, those are essential. These are great jobs to get. And like I said, the opportunities ahead of you are going to be amazing. Now I want to tell you a couple of my favorite things about it. The community. And I know it sounds funny because I talk bad about electricians all the time, but we get along so well. We're in a community. We're a brotherhood. We like each other. We work with each other. We help each other. We understand how serious, how hard it is for each and every one of us to do our jobs every day. We've put in a lot of time learning our skill. When you go to college and you have to learn a lot of different things. You don't just go learn how to be a CPA. Yeah, you've got to take English, a foreign language. You've got to take math, which you're going to be a CPA. You probably need that. You've got to take courses that do not pertain to what you are trying to be at all. Now, do you need to learn to speak? Absolutely. Have you ever met a plumber that you couldn't talk to? Okay, maybe. Normally, no. But here's the thing. When you get into a trade, you are learning your trade, hands-on skilled trades all day, every day from the very beginning. Now, hopefully, you get with a good tradesman because that's kind of how it's done. But if you're not with a good one, you're probably going to realize it. If you've got one taking shortcuts and things like that, you're going to say, look, I probably need to move on to something else. But the opportunity is amazing because of the community. When you walk into another company and you tell them, look, I've got experience at this. I know how to do this. I know how to do this. And I know how to do this. The community is amazing. And trust me, every good company right now is trying to hire because we're growing so fast. Guys, you're always going to have an opportunity here. And the community is what makes it really, really good. My other favorite thing is the pridefulness. And it's funny because every plumber, every electrician, every HVAC tech that I talk to is the same way about this. Welders, pipe fitters, iron workers, it doesn't matter. When you're driving down the road and you come up on a building that you've built, man, it's a big deal. And if you've got somebody with you, I don't care if it's a girlfriend or a date for the first time or a wife that's been with you forever. Every time I drive into Dallas, there's certain buildings I point out and it's like, hey, I built that. I don't know that I realize how many times I've said it, but it's a pride thing. We are so prideful in the work that we do. And that's a way when you first get in the trades to figure out if you're working with somebody good or not. Do they take pride in their work? Do they take pride in it each and every day? Because if they don't, you really may be in a bad spot. But most tradesmen, and look, if you've never seen my other channel, I interview people all the time over on the Trade Talks. Go check it out because I've interviewed some amazing tradespeople. But the thing is, most of us take pride in what we do each and every day. And I have for years. It doesn't matter if it's going into a house to help a homeowner with a problem. It doesn't matter if it's going downtown to build a new office building, to build the biggest county hospital in the world. Doing things like that, the pride behind it is amazing. You get to realize you're building something that's going to be there for a long, long time. You want to have an impact on the world? Get in the trades. You go home every day, you're tired, but it feels amazing. And to me, I don't understand why there's not more females, more minorities, more of everybody in the world trying to get into the trades. It pays great. And if you're willing to work hard and learn, the opportunities are there for you. A few tricks that I'll give you is when you first get in the trades, come in to learn. Understand that you don't know anything about it. Now, I think plumbing is the best trade, and I say that all the time. But I understand plumbing's not for everybody. So when you get into the trade, come in to learn, come in open-minded, and come in willing to work hard. After you get your license, never stop learning. Keep learning so you can move up and become a foreman, a superintendent, maybe one day own your own company. And that's another thing. When you do move up, look at where you want to get to. Do you want to own your own company one day? Because if you do, when you get into the trades and you're thinking about that from the very beginning, chances are you're going to take time to learn things a whole lot better. The trades are the greatest opportunity in the world for you to be an entrepreneur. You come in, you learn a trade, you work hard, you learn business, you learn anything you can, learn sales, learn communications, and get in and decide when you want to open your own company. If you know it from the get-go, thinking about it all along will help you get to where you want to be. If you want to learn more about getting into the trades or anything at all about the trades, go over and check out my website, www.rogerwakefield.com. And hopefully I can give you information there to help you. I hope you enjoyed them. And if you did enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and share it with a friend that you know may need to find a job in the trade. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, helping you make more money in the trades.